learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。你连讲话都听起来比较年轻哎。我觉得今天看到你年轻好多，我不知道为什么，春风满面啊。
夏天到了，运动喝水啊。
Oh, you've been exercising, huh? That's why Alice actually looks younger. And this might go well with our monthly theme this month, which is How are you? 我们这个月呢都来教大家怎么说最近好吗？
按旧好吗？
按旧好吗？ Okay, that means how are you? And then today we're going to teach you other things that you might say after saying 按旧好吗? That means how are you? All right? 比如说我刚刚讲你变年轻了，对不对？年轻。
后生。
哦，后生。Okay, that means young. All right? 那因为年轻啊，又看起来漂亮。Pretty. How do you say pretty?
讲。
哦，对，谁没按讲的讲嘛？
谁没按讲？
哦 ，It's very easy in Hakka how to say pretty. 讲。
对，那海陆腔酱
酱哦，
对啊，
真的是酱哦，
酱，
这感觉好像人家年轻人说就这样子啊，酱。Okay, that's a different dialect of saying young. Oh, and here in Taiwan, 其实我觉得尤其女生啊，哎呀你变瘦了，
好高兴。
然后男生常常就会被讲说，哎呦你变胖了，很讨厌的，对啊。Here in Asia, a lot of people care about how thin, lean they are. I mean, this applies to everywhere in the world, but especially here. So let's teach you how to say lean or fat. So, 怎么说？
超。
Okay, that means you're lean, you're skinny. Or you're fat, 胖。皮，好多皮哦。皮越多皮。Okay, 皮 actually sounds like skin in Chinese, but it means fat. All right? 好，那我们来造个句好了，要不要？
Okay.
你好像变瘦了。You look skinnier, you look thinner.
像变较超。
哦，较超刚刚讲超就是瘦嘛，那前面像变较超，
就是你好像变瘦。
哦 ，If you break it down, that means you look like you've lost some weight. You look skinnier, all right? 像变较超。Let's review these terms again. 年轻 young,
后生
and then 漂亮 that's pretty.
讲
or 酱 right? And then finally, skinny or fat. 瘦跟胖。超皮这我就记得了。All things you could say after you say how are you? 最近好吗？
按旧好吗？
按旧好吗？ And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
按字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.